A customer emails in, furious, requesting an order cancellation. Minutes later, they follow up by asking for a refund. Your agent is juggling the ticket screen, the Shopify admin, and internal notes. This increases the number of mistakes and makes even simple requests feel stressful. But if all customer order details are linked to their tickets, the resolution time can decrease by 70%, ensuring that no important context is overlooked. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Shopify custom app, connect it to BoldDesk, manage multiple Shopify stores, view order details directly within support tickets, and seamlessly handle order cancellations and refunds from BoldDesk. The integration is completed in 3 stages: creating a custom app in Shopify, connecting that app to BoldDesk, and then using the integration inside BoldDesk to manage customer orders and support workflows. First, I'll create a custom app in Shopify. Sign in to the Shopify store and go to Settings, then Apps, and open Develop Apps. In the window that opens, click Build Apps in Dev Dashboard. On the Apps listing page, I click Create App option in the top right corner. Here, enter the app name from the start of the Dev Dashboard on the right and click Create. Next, under the Versions tab, use the default Shopify API URL, disable the option to embed the app in Shopify admin, and set the Webhooks API to the latest stable version. Under Access Scopes, I search for and select read_customers, read_orders, and write_orders, which are required for BoldDesk to retrieve and manage order information. Once done, click Release and Confirm to apply the changes. Next, I need to set a distribution method for this app. From the Home tab in the Dev Dashboard, click Select Distribution Method and choose Custom Distribution, then click Select. In the pop-up that appears, I click Select Custom Distribution, enter the Shopify store domain, and enable Allow Multi-Store Installation for one plus organization option. Click Generate Link and confirm. Copy the generated link and open it in a new browser tab. Select the Shopify store and install the app. After installation, Shopify will display a confirmation message. Let me return to the Shopify Dev Dashboard and open the newly created custom app. I navigate to Settings, then Credentials, and copy the client ID and client secret, as these credentials are required to connect Shopify with BoldDesk. With Shopify ready, I can connect it to BoldDesk. So, let me log into BoldDesk as an administrator and navigate to the marketplace. Search for the Shopify app and click Install. In the configuration page, enter the Shopify store name, specify the store's subdomain, and paste the client ID and client secret that were copied earlier and click Next. Here, I configure app permissions in BoldDesk and select the target modules in which Shopify will appear. Then click Save to complete the configuration. Note that these permissions let you control who can read, modify, or use the Shopify integration based on roles and brands, ensuring the right teams have access to keep the operations secure. Once the configuration is complete, Shopify data becomes available inside BoldDesk. Now, when I open a ticket and then the Apps section, the Shopify option will be displayed. Expand it and go to the Stores tab. Here, when I select a store, customers' information, recent orders with item details, pricing, shipping address, discounts, and the customer's full order history are shown, giving agents the context they need to respond accurately without leaving the conversation. Now agents can manage customer orders without leaving BoldDesk. Cancellations and refunds follow Shopify's standard rules. An order can only be canceled if the customer hasn't paid and the items haven't been shipped or fulfilled. Otherwise, the cancel option is unavailable. To cancel an eligible order, open the Shopify app from the Apps section, go to the Stores tab, select the order, and choose Cancel Order. Select a cancellation reason, specify the refund amount if applicable, enable customer notification if needed, and confirm the cancellation. Refunds work similarly. If there's no payment to return, the refund order option will be disabled. To issue a refund, open the Shopify app, select the store and order, and click Refund Order. Choose the items and quantity to refund. Include a shipping refund if required. Decide whether to restock the items. Add a refund reason, enable customer notification, and complete the process by clicking Refund. You can embed BoldDesk web forms into your Shopify storefront, allowing customers to submit support tickets directly from your website. Additionally, BoldDesk integrates its AI agent with the chat widget for AI automation. To learn more, please check the link in the description below. If your business runs multiple brands or regions, you can connect multiple Shopify stores under one BoldDesk account. Each store can have its own portal, live chat widget, and workflows, allowing you to maintain brand identity while centralizing support operations. To connect multiple Shopify stores, go to the admin menu, select My Apps, choose Shopify, click Manage, then click Add Store and complete the connection process. If you need to update an existing store's details, click the More option next to the store and select Edit. Next, if you want to temporarily stop using a store without removing its setup, you can deactivate it. The store becomes inactive but remains retained, so it can be activated later. To permanently remove a store, use the Delete option and confirm. When properly installed and configured, the Shopify integration transforms BoldDesk into a central command center for customer support and order management. It reduces tool switching, speeds up resolution time, and gives agents the context they need to deliver confident, accurate support. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials on BoldDesk integration. Thanks for watching.